Jeff at Auto Sauce. Today we're going to talk about prepping our paint, our surface for a wrap or paint correction, PPF, whatever you're going to do, but you got to take that first step. And the first step is going to be to clay bar it to get all the contaminants off the surface area, off the paint, all the tree sap, acid fallout, overspray, brake dust, all that stuff that embeds into your paint. We're going to clay bar that and get rid of it all. So we put together our spicy clay bar kit, which includes a bottle of our Marinara detail spray, of course our spicy clay bar because we got to clay bar the car, and I threw in a 2-pack of cinnamon sliced microfibers. So with all that, you're ready to get down on your first step into paint correction or prep surface for your car. So let's get to work. I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is wash the car. So we took this car outside, we washed it, dried it all off, brought it inside. You can kind of feel it, you can hear it for sure, that it's a rough surface. So get this stuff out and I'll show you how it's done. Super easy, just want to spray the surface. I want to give it a pretty good coverage. Spray the clay bar a little bit, and then you're just gonna rub. I go back and forth, you can go side to side. You wanna keep it consistent and you wanna make sure you get all the surface area. Work in bigger sections if you want. You can do the whole half of this hood. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to let it dry on you. So got the half of this hood done. And come back, grab our microfiber, and just wipe it all clean. So once it's all clean and dry, just move on to the next section, move on to the whole car. But now before, like 20 seconds ago or whenever it was, when I felt the surface, you could feel that it was rough. And now listen, you don't hear anything. So this surface is clean, it's prepped, it's ready for my next step, whether I'm gonna wrap it or PPF or do a paint correction, which is what this car really needs. So I'm gonna finish up the car and yeah, you guys go check out the kit, it's online.